What would you do if you were guaranteed success? If you knew for sure that you would pass or you would excel, what kind of project would you aim for? It is always a good time for you to check your objectives for the year. Sis, there are so many things that are happening around you, so many external factors that you have absolutely no control over. But within yourself, how do you approach these challenges? On today's episode, I'll be taking you through a 5-step process on how you can help yourself achieve your goals for the year. My name is Dr. Sonny, and this is Women's World. I'll be right back. Welcome back, guys. On today's episode, we'll be talking about what you would do if you knew for certain that you would succeed. The first one is this. Sis, amend your goals. You've been doing the same thing over and over again. It doesn't seem to be working. Write down your goals. Talk to people. See what is not making it work. See, the best thing to do is to ask information. They say something in Yoruba, "Ẹni tó bá béèrè ọ̀nà kò lè sọnù." If you know for sure, if you ask people, and tell them, oh, I feel like this thing, I'm trying to do this thing, but it's not working. Talk to your sister circle. They are there for a reason. It's not just for you people to be going to and bed together. Talk to them. Have a proper meeting with them. That's the first one. The second one is this. You need to fake it till you make it. You need to walk the talk. What kind of conversations do people in your field, what kind of conversations do they have? What are the kind of places that they go? Places that will not make you spend money. How do they dress? How do they look? How do they talk? What do they do in their spare time? What kind of books do they read? The third one is you need to focus your time. I understand that social media can be very interesting. I mean, it is one thing or the other. You are going through social media and you're like, what is happening on Instagram today? It says, focus your time on the things that bring you money. What I do is this. I tell myself, Tokpe, you're going to spend only 20 minutes on Instagram between the hours of 8 and 12 in the morning. So whatever it is I'm doing on Instagram, I spend only 20 minutes. It has really helped me. And at night, I give myself time. Between 8 and 10 p.m., that is 2 hours. Yes. I started with that. Gradually, my life changed. So now when I scroll through social media, it's like, yeah, this one is fine. This one is not fine. The next one is this. Value yourself. What kind of value do you place on yourself? See, sis, I understand that sometimes it might be a little bit hard to see yourself as you are. Imposter syndrome, it's a real problem. I am going for meetings, something I've been doing for so long, and I keep telling myself, Tope, are you sure you can do this? It is a problem. Put value on yourself. It is a value you place on yourself that others will place on you. The next one is this. Manage your time. It's the same thing as focus your time. The only difference is now, you know for sure that this is what is making me money. I'm going to focus my time on it. But how do you manage it? How do you make it work for you? How do you get extra time for yourself? Do you rest at all? That is it on today's episode. I hope you guys had so much fun. Remember to follow me on Instagram at Dr. Sonny and also follow our social media handles. I hope to see you soon.